Hello, my dear friends. You are on the Neuromagic channel. I will be very happy to have you subscribe to my channel. For me, it is important. Let's go. Look who's here. It's Batman. Now brace yourself for his sleek, bat-themed firearm. Whoa, Batman. You're looking super stylish. Is that gun as stealthy as you are? Captain America is up next. Watch him with his star-spangled gun. Captain America, you're the symbol of freedom. Does your gun pack a patriotic punch? It's a bird, it's a plane, it's Superman. Check out his super-powered gun. Superman, you're so mighty. Does your gun shoot beams of justice? Catwoman is here, folks. See her with her perfectly elegant firearm. Catwoman, you're the cat's meow. Does your gun have a trick or two from your bag of secrets? Doctor Strange has arrived, and he's wielding a mystic gun. Get ready for some sorcery. Doctor Strange, you're a master of the mystical arts. Does your gun bend reality? I am Groot. Look at Groot's wooden wonder gun. Groot, you're a one-of-a-kind hero. Does your gun grow with your adventures? It's the Hulk. Check out his smashing gun, ready to take on anything. Hulk, you're incredibly strong. Does your gun get even bigger when you're angry? Iron Man is here. Witness his high-tech, suit-integrated firearm. Iron Man, you're a tech genius. Does your gun have all the Stark Industries upgrades? Loki has arrived with his mischievous gun. What tricks does he have up his sleeve? Loki, the god of mischief, does your gun have some enchanting surprises? It's your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. See him with his web-slinging gun in action. Spider-Man, you're amazing. Does your gun shoot webs just like your web shooters? Star-Lord is up next, and he's got a cosmic gun from another galaxy. Star-Lord, you're out of this world. Does your gun have tunes from the Awesome Mix? Thanos has arrived, bringing his mighty gun. Will it bring balance to the universe? Thanos, you're a cosmic force. Does your gun have the power of the Infinity Gauntlet? It's Thor. Watch him with his thunderous gun, worthy of the God of Thunder. Thor, you're electrifying. Does your gun call down lightning like Mjolnir? Wolverine is here, and he's armed with his adamantium gun, ready to slice through anything. Wolverine, you're fierce. Does your gun have claws as sharp as your adamantium skeleton? Wonder Woman is up next. See her with her heroic gun, a symbol of truth and justice. Wonder Woman, you're a warrior. Does your gun have the power of the lasso of truth? Aquaman has arrived. Check out his oceanic gun, as powerful as the depths of the sea. Aquaman, you're a ruler of the seas. Does your gun command the creatures of the ocean? Black Adam is here with his electrifying gun, a force of nature ready to strike. Black Adam, you're powerful. Does your gun harness the might of Shazam? Black Panther is on the scene. Witness his Wakandan gun, a symbol of Wakanda's strength. Black Panther, you're a king. Does your gun have the vibranium edge of your suit? Gamora has arrived, and she's armed with her deadly gun, a weapon of precision and skill. Gamora, you're a fierce warrior. Does your gun have tricks from the deadliest assassin in the galaxy? Black Widow is here, and she's got her spy-themed gun, perfect for covert operations. Black Widow, you're a master of espionage. Does your gun have hidden gadgets for your missions? Green Lantern is up next. See him with his radiant cosmic gun. Powered by will. Green Lantern, you're a guardian of the universe. Does your gun create constructs of light and energy? Mystique has arrived with her shape-shifting gun. What disguise will it take today? Mystique, you're a master of transformation. Does your gun mimic the forms of your foes? Red Guardian is here, ready with his Soviet-themed gun, a symbol of the old guard. Red Guardian, you're a true patriot. Does your gun have the strength of the Soviet Union? It's Rocket Raccoon. Check out his tech-savvy gun, built for all your engineering needs. Rocket, you're a genius with gadgets. Does your gun have all sorts of raccoon-inspired surprises? Yellow Jacket is next. Look how he handles his shrinking gun. Yellow Jacket, you're so small and strong. Does your gun have the ability to shrink? All the guns are so original. Wow! Which gun did you like the best? I will be very pleased if you subscribe to my channel and like this video. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I have a lot more interesting things for you.